Welcome to Al Karim channel. Please like, subscribe and share this video. This video is for everybody, for Muslim, non-Muslim. If you newly converted to Islam, this message is for you. Today's video is about Al Karim, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala praise song. It's always good to praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in our daily lives to attract barakah. Allahu, 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 Allahumma, Allahu, Allahumma, 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 Allahu, 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 Allahumma, Allahu, Allahumma. So this is the message I have for you today. I hope this message help you on your healing journey, as on your divine journey. Allah bless you all. Allah put better than everything you do. Allah love you. Al Karim love you so much. All my Muslim soul travel around the world and the chosen ones. You are beautiful soul. You are the light. You are the love. You are the truth. You are the hope. Keep increasing your iman every single day by praying to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from Fajr to Isha and read the Quran. Never lose hope in the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and keep protecting your energy to maintain your iman. Allah bless you all. I'm going to end this message here.